Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about the const keyword in C++. So let's go ahead and make a program. Have an include IO stream, and then have our main function. Return 0. Okay, so to make a const variable, what you have is, you could say like const int, and then let's call this leave me alone, and set that equal to 0. So this const keyword here, what it means is that you can't modify the value. Okay, so if, for example, if I try to do leave me alone plus plus, you will see an error. It says expression must be a modifiable L value. Okay, so the only way I can modify this is if this were not a const. So if I remove the const, it should go away. And if I put it back, it'll have a problem. So if I run the code, you can see that I'll get some issues. So you get an error here. Undefined reference, error. And it's just, if you hover over it, you'll see the error that's happening here. Okay, so we'll comment this out because we can't do it, but just to show you that that's something you can't do. And you can also use const when you're trying to pass it into a function. So you can call this void and say func with const arg. And inside, I'm going to say const and say fixed value, for example. And then inside, I'm going to do std cout fixed value. So this is good if you have a function and you just want to make sure that you're not changing the value by accident, then you could use the const keyword. Okay, and notice inside if I try to modify the value, so if I do fixed value plus plus, like before, we'll see a problem. So expression must be a modifiable L value. Okay, so that's going to cause a compiler error. So we'll go ahead and remove that just to show you that you shouldn't do that in your program. So in here, I could create like a new function called int num, or I mean new variable, we're going to call it int num, set it to 7, and if I do func const arg and call num, you can see even though the function here says const, it doesn't mean that the variable you pass in has to be const. It just means that the variable you pass in will not be modified. So that's what the const keyword means when you're using it as an argument inside a function. Okay, so I could go ahead and run this program, and you will see that it prints out 7. Okay, so that's how you do const in C++. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.